Fuck, turn signals, you stupid ass bitch. I don't need to tell you what I'm doing, like I care if it causes a wreck. I'll slowly drift into your lane and get mad at you for knowing what I'm doing, because I don't communicate shit in my life. Read my mind, bitch! Read my mind, bitch! Turn signals off for the weak. Your life doesn't mean shit to me. You owe me everything because I'm a spoiled ass bitch ass pansy. My wife gets mad at me because at home I don't communicate shit to her or anyone. The world revolves around me, then I'm constipated. Fuck turn signals. They're for bitches anyway. Fuck turn signals. Not my problem, you pussy. The world owes me everything. I don't need to contribute anything, because everyone and everything in this whole world is all about me. I'm the center of attention. I get what I want and I don't give a fuck. I love food that's bad for me and wonder why I'm unhealthy. I have a cell phone, can't you see how busy I am? Too busy to flip the signal stick up and down. I barely have enough energy to flip my own stick around at home when I watch porn. Look at me, I'm the best. Look at me. Fuck turn signals. They're for bitches anyway. Fuck turn signals. Not my problem, you pussy. My car, my road, my rules, my life. Me, 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 me. It's all about me. Me, 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 me. I'm the best. Me, me, me. I'm the greatest. Fuck turn signals. They're for bitches anyway. Fuck turn signals. Not my problem, you pussy.
Man, so semi